Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI. We're talking about AI that's changing the game in healthcare, transportation, finance, and more. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, this is happening right now. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to explore 10 AI innovations that are straight out of the future. First up, we're tackling healthcare, one of the most critical sectors in our society. The integration of AI into healthcare is not just a trend, it's a groundbreaking shift that's set to redefine how we approach medical care. Imagine a world where AI becomes your new favorite doctor, offering insights and diagnostics with unparalleled accuracy. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. We're talking about AI algorithms that can analyze medical images with superhuman precision, detecting anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. This technology is revolutionizing radiology and diagnostics, but it's not just about diagnostics. AI is also personalizing treatment plans. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can recommend treatments tailored specifically to an individual's genetic makeup and lifestyle. Imagine getting a treatment plan that is uniquely designed for you, taking into account your genetic profile, medical history, and even your daily habits. This level of personalization is unprecedented. AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons, making procedures less invasive and more precise. These robots can perform complex surgeries with a level of accuracy that surpasses human capabilities, reducing recovery times and improving outcomes. In the realm of pharmaceuticals, AI is sifting through massive data sets to identify potential drug candidates at unprecedented speeds. This accelerates the drug discovery process, bringing new treatments to market faster than ever before. With AI handling routine tasks like administrative work, doctors have more time to focus on patient care. This shift allows healthcare professionals to spend more quality time with their patients, improving the overall patient experience. AI is also at the forefront of medical research, developing new treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. By analyzing complex biological data, AI is uncovering new pathways for treatment and potential cures. Predictive analytics powered by AI can forecast disease outbreaks before they happen, allowing for proactive measures to be taken. This technology is making healthcare more accessible and efficient, especially in underserved areas. AI is revolutionizing healthcare in ways we never thought possible, and this is just the beginning. The future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Next up, let's talk about getting from point A to point B. Imagine a world where your daily commute is stress-free and efficient. The future of transportation is closer than you think, and it's autonomous. Picture sleek, futuristic cars gliding effortlessly through city streets, navigating traffic with ease. We're talking self-driving cars that navigate complex environments safely and efficiently. These vehicles use advanced sensors and AI to make split-second decisions, ensuring a smooth ride. No more road rage, no more distracted driving, and no more need for parking spaces. Imagine sitting back and relaxing while your car takes care of the driving. Companies are already testing self-driving cars on public roads. These tests are crucial for refining the technology and ensuring safety. AI is also transforming public transportation with real-time route adjustments. Buses and trains can now adapt to traffic conditions, making your commute faster and more reliable. This means shorter wait times, faster commutes, and a more efficient system. Public transportation becomes a more attractive option for everyone. Autonomous vehicles can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Electric self-driving cars contribute to cleaner air and a healthier environment. This is about creating a safer, more efficient, and sustainable transportation system. With fewer accidents and optimized traffic flow, everyone benefits. The future of transportation is on its way, and it's looking pretty awesome. Get ready for a world where getting around is easier, greener, and more enjoyable than ever before. Now let's talk about finance. The world of finance is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and much of this transformation is driven by artificial intelligence. AI is making serious waves in the world of money. From trading algorithms to risk management, AI is reshaping how financial institutions operate. AI algorithms can analyze market trends and make investment recommendations. These algorithms process vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. Think of it like having a personal financial advisor available 24/7. This means you can get advice and make decisions at any time, day or night. AI is also being used to detect fraud by analyzing millions of transactions in real time. This helps in identifying suspicious activities and preventing financial crimes before they happen. Personalized banking experiences are becoming the norm. AI tailors services to individual needs, making banking more convenient and user-friendly. Imagine getting loan approvals in seconds and tailored investment advice. This level of efficiency and personalization was once a dream but is now a reality. AI is helping financial institutions streamline operations and reduce costs. By automating routine tasks, banks can focus more on customer service and innovation. This means better services and lower fees for everyone. Customers benefit from faster services and more competitive rates. AI is making amazing things happen in the world of money. The future of finance is bright, and AI is at the heart of this exciting transformation. Alright, let's move on to something closer to home. We're talking about smart homes. AI is making our current homes smarter and more responsive to our needs. Lights automatically turn on, the temperature adjusts, and your favorite playlist starts. Smart speakers can answer questions, control appliances, and order groceries. Smart thermostats learn your preferences, saving energy and money. Smart security systems use facial recognition and alert you to suspicious activity. Smart homes offer peace of mind, especially for elderly individuals. This is about creating a living space that's truly personalized and responsive. Now let's talk about the future of education. AI is about to school us all with personalized learning experiences. Imagine a virtual tutor providing personalized instruction and identifying areas for improvement. AI is empowering educators with tools to be more effective. Automating tasks like grading and lesson planning frees up teachers' time. AI analyzes student data to identify learning gaps and provide insights. AI is making education more accessible to students worldwide. The future of learning is looking bright with AI as our guide. We all love to be entertained, and AI knows it. AI is infiltrating the entertainment industry with tailored recommendations. No more endless scrolling. AI knows what you want before you do. AI is also creating content, from music to scripts to art. AI-generated music and scripts are captivating audiences. AI-powered game characters learn from your playing style. This is about pushing the boundaries of creativity and entertainment. With AI as our creative partner, the possibilities are limitless. Nobody enjoys waiting on hold. AI is transforming customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are available 24/7. These sophisticated AI systems understand natural language and provide personalized support. Need to track a package? Ask a chatbot. Want to change your flight itinerary? A virtual assistant can handle it. AI helps companies proactively identify and resolve customer issues. Analyzing customer data, AI predicts potential problems and offers solutions. This is about creating a seamless and effortless customer experience. With AI on the front lines, customer service is about to get a whole lot better. Let's talk about how AI is transforming agriculture. AI optimizes farming practices, increases crop yields, and creates a sustainable food production system. Drones with AI-powered cameras survey fields and optimize irrigation. AI analyzes weather patterns and soil conditions for real-time insights. Farmers make data-driven decisions, saving time, money, and resources. AI is key to producing more food with fewer resources for a sustainable future. Let's step into the world of manufacturing. AI-powered robots work alongside human workers with precision and speed. AI handles repetitive tasks, freeing up humans for complex work. Predictive maintenance means less downtime and lower costs. AI creates a more efficient and innovative manufacturing industry. This is about producing higher quality products and creating new job opportunities. Let's talk about how AI is tackling climate change and conservation. AI monitors deforestation, tracks endangered species, and protects our planet. AI-powered drones identify illegal logging and alert authorities. AI analyzes satellite imagery to track deforestation patterns. AI develops renewable energy sources and optimizes energy consumption. AI creates a sustainable and resilient future for our planet. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing AI innovations transforming our world. From revolutionizing healthcare to saving our planet, AI is solving big challenges. As AI evolves, incredible innovations await. The future is full of possibilities and AI is a big part of it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let us know in the comments which AI innovation you found the most mind-blowing.